Introduction. External ophthalmomyiasis is an infestation of with larvae of Dermatobia hominis or Stress ovis. Ophthalmomyiasis can occur in three forms: external, internal, or orbital. Clinical history. A 32-year-old male presented to outpatient department of ophthalmology in Minto Ophthalmic Hospital, Regional Institute of Ophthalmology, Bangalore with complaint of foreign body sensation, pain, redness and excessive watering of the right eye since one day. He gave history of some dust-like particle falling into his right eye while driving. Patient had washed his eye with water but pain is still persisting, so he came to visit the hospital. He didn't have any similar ocular complaint in past. He didn't have any ocular complaint in left eye. Patient is nil systemic. Ocular examination. Visual acuity in right eye was 6 by 12, which was improving to 6 by 6 parts on pinhole. Visual acuity in left eye was 6 by 9, which was improving to 6 by 6 on pinhole. Right eye lid showing mild lid edema. Right eye conjunctiva show congestion with many small foci of conjunctival hemorrhage in a superior and inferior fornix with multiple around 4 mm size translucent worm crawling in the fornix area. Cornea was clear in both eyes. Antechamber was normal in depth and optically clear. Pupil was 3 mm, round, regular and reactive to light. Lens are clear in both eyes. Extraocular movement were full range in both eyes. Digital tension was normal in both eyes. Fundus also normal in both eyes. On examination, show tiny translucent worm 3 to 4 mm in size with dark heads and they are crawling near the fornix area. Management. Vigorous IOS was given with betadine under topical anesthesia 0.5% paracaine. The larvae were removed manually with forceps 26 gauge needle and sterile cotton. Topical anesthesia was instilled. A vigorous IOS was done with a povidone iodine solution. Thorough IOS was given with normal saline. Remaining larvae were removed with sterile cotton. Remaining larvae were removed with 26 gauge needle. The larva was examined under slit lamp in cobalt blue filter. Treatment. Topical eye drop moxifloxacin 4 times per day for 1 week has given. Topical eye ointment Nocupol D at bedtime for 1 week has given. Patient call for follow-up next day. The causative larvae were sent to laboratory for identification. The author of this study have no financial disclosure or conflict of interest with the presented material in this presentation. Thank you.